Hi, I'm Greta from Attention Insight. In this video, I will take two e-commerce websites and compare their performance. The e-commerce websites I will compare are Nike and ASOS. Let's look at two similar pages from two different apparel brands. I chose pages displaying single pair of shoes from Women Trainers section. This is a page from a Nike UK website showing Nike Air Vapor Max Flyknit 3 Women Trainers. Let's generate a heat map using Chrome extension and see how much viewers' attention each object gets and what the clarity percentage is. The clarity score for this page is 65%, which is optimal clarity, and which is higher clarity when 60% of top Alexa sites rank websites. The heat map shows that there are 5 areas that represent objects the user will notice first. Warm colors, red and yellow, show the areas that attract the most attention. In this case, those areas are trainers from the side and from the bottom, 50% discount offer text, and size guide section. The name of the trainers. You can see that the warmest colors are on the name and the Nike symbol on the trainer side of the shoe. We can come to the conclusion that the clarity score of the page is high enough, and the most important objects in the page are the ones that the user will notice first. The second website is ASOS, British online fashion and cosmetic retailer. Let's generate a heat map and see the performance of a page from the website. Clarity score is 56%, which represents a moderate difficulty, and which has a lower clarity than 60% of top Alexa sites rank websites. The heat map shows that the area that attracts the most attention is the text on the right-hand side, which has the price, color and the size guide, even though the photograph of the actual trainer and the ASOS logo on the top left corner are indicated as one of the objects that attract users' attention. They are not the objects that the user will notice first. To sum up, the chosen page from the Nike website gets more clarity score, as well as the most important objects are the areas that attract the most users' attention, while the ASOS website clarity score is significantly smaller and the areas that are supposed to be the most important do not get enough users' attention. The right objects the user will notice first and the higher clarity score are the principal aspects that make this page on the Nike website better than the one of ASOS. If you would like to get more insights, please press a Get More Insights button on the analysis results window, and one of the members from the Attention Insight team will help you to make your design have a higher clarity score, as well as make the most important objects on your e-commerce website attract most users' attention. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next videos.